Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Magic Carmen, and today I'm going to be teaching you a super cool and easy trick that involves a trick that I taught. How to make any card float out of the deck with magic. If you missed that video, I'll have it linked in the description down below, and you can check out that video. And let's get into the tutorial. So we're going to pick any card. I'll show you the trick, and then I'm going to teach it. Pick card. Tell me your card. You got it. All right. I'm just going to shuffle into the deck just like this. And now your card is lost into the middle of the deck, and I'm just going to find it with magic. Your card, 6 of clubs. How cool is that? So, how to do this trick? What you want to do is select any card and tell them, and tell whoever you're doing the trick to remember their card. Don't forget it. You got it? All right. And what you want to do, and so let's see, the card is 7 of hearts. So you put it on top, and as you shuffle, with your thumb, you take the card and just hold it, and then drop the rest of the cards right on top of it. And so the 7 of hearts is on the bottom. And so really fast, it should look like this. And it's right on the bottom. The exact same thing, but just in reverse. So the 7, drop the cards right on top until you get to their card. You can, if you want, keep going and just really make it a big shuffle. You can do more shuffles if you want. And this is what you would call a false shuffle. It's a fake shuffle, because I mean, you're really shuffling the cards, but you're moving their card and you know where it is, the whole trick. And so now it's on the top again. You just make it magically float, just like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Boom.